Benefits of a LinkedIn Showcase page and why you need one. LinkedIn Showcase page serves as an extension of your LinkedIn company page. Most people think a showcase page is a replacement for their main page. It is a wrong perception. Instead, think of it as a supplement. Showcase pages will help your brand build a niche of followings in different areas of your business. Note that your business can create as many as 10 showcase pages under a company page. There are many benefits that your brand stands to gain by creating and utilizing the potentials embedded in showcase pages. But one advantage of using a showcase page is the deeper engagement for the target audience. Every business owner who wants to make the most out of showcase pages must think of it beyond the fact that it is just an extension of your company page. What they need to do is to see it as an opportunity to attract buyers with different personas. It is imperative for every business owner because some persons will respond differently to value propositions that page owners will make. When creating content for your page, you should know that people from different parts of the world get attracted to it. And most of them will view things from a different perspective. It is best to try different approaches and messages when sharing content. Below are other advantages of using a showcase page for your business. You can use showcase pages to manage different brand products. A showcase page will help you engage different verticals. It is obtainable when a product like software is a horizontal product that aims at several vertical markets on LinkedIn. The data analytics platform is an example of such markets where the solutions apply to industries where data gets used day by day. Page admin can choose to launch several showcase pages that target industries like healthcare, transportation, government, hospitality, and the rest of them. Often are showcase pages used to engage several regions in their native languages. Highly beneficial is to target areas and countries of interest. You can reach people in their native language. It will not only attract them to your showcase page, but it will keep them wanting more. It will automatically increase traffic to your page. Showcase pages are for both big and small companies that always have something to say. Create one for your business today and take it to the next level. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.